What's good with y'all niggas? We back with another video and shit. Today we're gonna be talking the laws of power analysis, keeping the series going. And today we're gonna be talking about law number 5. And what do the laws say to us? The law 5 is about reputation. You guys need to understand that reputation is very important. You know what I'm saying? I know it's very you know what I'm saying, very cliche, very materialistic, you know what I'm saying? Where we think what people think about us can affect us. It's very ass, you know what I'm saying? But it's wrong, yes, but you know what I'm saying, we just gotta you don't hate the game. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Alright? Because I have this problem. I had this problem and I solved it. Right? I've been transferred to two schools, right? My secondary school, my high school, I've went to two schools. Uh the first school 2 years, second school 2 years, right? Currently is my second year, right? So the first school, right, 2 years, I know I was known as the shy kid, the weirdo, who was had his friends, you know what I'm saying? But who wasn't afraid to talk to people. Like I was weird, yes, but like I was able to talk to people, you know what I'm saying? I wanna say they were able to have conversations. It wouldn't be like, oh, I'm just tolerating him when he talks. No, it's like, you know what I'm saying? I can engage you, right? But I was shy. I was a shy kid, couldn't talk properly. I was mumbling all the time, right? And then when I came to a new school, I knew that shit, I couldn't have that shit ever again. So I built this reputation of me being confident, fucking, badass nigga, who know what I'm saying? That nigga who doesn't give a fuck about anything, right? Of course, with that, you have to come with receipts. You gotta prove, you gotta show them through your action. Don't just say, oh, no, I didn't do that. I didn't say, oh, no, I'm saying I'm very confident. No, I didn't say all that shit. You know what I'm saying? The first few weeks, first few days of the school was quiet. You know what I'm saying? I was playing law number 4, saying less than necessary. You know what I'm saying? That's why I got mysterious. And then, you know what I'm saying? I started doing things that proved to make me look confident, look more badass, more flamboyant, who doesn't care, who takes risks, you know what I'm saying? This is why they come to me when they ask me for some shit. Sometimes they ask me, can you go and talk to this girl for me? Or I dare you to go and do this to this kid, chick, and I will do it. And half the time, usually, all the times right now, I haven't seen a time where I do those funny things. Like, for example, this time I was told to say to a chick, kid, don't you want to choke over my nuts? Right? And then bust out a packet of nuts. Like those type of things. Well, I've never in my time I've done those type of things. Will I ever get like a bad response? It's more of like ah ha ha, right? Laughing joke, like they actually understand the shit, and then that's where I come in and I seal the dials, seal the date. You know what I'm saying? Because the reputation I've put up is to say that I'm confident, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do some fucking weird shit, you know what I'm saying? And it's up to you if you try to enjoy your life with me or not. Alright, so yeah, that's what I say about reputation. It's very important when gaining power. Sometimes it can go as far as doing the work for you before you even enter a situation, you know what I'm saying? Or like let's say you got a business meeting to do, you know what I'm saying? And you know in your head you need to get a certain amount of money out of this deal, right? And you have the reputation of being uh very hot headed, not hot headed, but like stubborn. Like where like, cause you know your service is good, so where you set a price, you know what I'm saying. So when you go there, sometimes the guy can willing to pay you more than what you actually wanted. You know, you just say okay, sure, and you sign the shit, right? So yeah, make your reputation of one particular quality, right? Like being honest, cunning, or arrogant, right? Right. This will allow people to justify your actions without you having to explain anything, right? You know what I'm saying? If you, but bear in mind, you don't always have to follow your reputation, right? Sometimes you can do the opposite because that's what I do sometimes. Because, for example, if your reputation is honesty, right? This gives you a chance to be deceptive, and your reputation will defend you. That's what I am, right? But like sometimes, I don't gotta do all this shit. Sometimes I be scared sometimes. Like for example, someone can say, "Hey, go tell this chick to say this, right?" And at the time, I'd be like, this is a little bit too strong." Well, even for me, right? And I say, "Nah, I'm chill." Right? People won't call me, "Oh, you a bitch, man. You bitch." They know, like, hey, I was doing those things before, so it ain't that I'm a bitch. It's not ain't because I can't do it. I can do it. It's something else. Like that's confidence. The confident persona that I've put up. You know what I'm saying? Is protecting me. Right? So you can use your reputation to do things that otherwise would, if you didn't have a reputation, you'll get caught off. You'll get caught. Right? But bear in mind, you also gotta destroy other people's reputations. You need to add to destroy other people's reputations, right? Because sometimes people be capping. You know what I'm saying? Right? You need to add uncertainty, like spread rumors. Other ways is to like jokingly poke holes in their reputation and just be seen as fun. You know what I'm saying? Don't go overboard. You shouldn't go overboard because this also damage your reputation. Because like, oh, why you hate on him too much? Like, what's up? Why you hate on him? Right? So guys, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of like an on and off shit. Like you just gotta have a balance. Focus on your reputation. Gotta do things that reputation fixes up for you. Because reputation is super very important. Can get you deals that you otherwise wouldn't get. Can get you I don't know anything. You know what I'm saying? It just depends on what it is. You gotta put yourself as a high class, a king, a high king. This is why sometimes chicks can like you simply because of your reputation. Like, oh, he gets a lot of bitches. So when you ain't approaching chicks in the school, what does that tell you about the school? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? All right. So yeah. Um. So right, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below what you want next, any books that you want in. I'm not sure if I'll upload this one today together with Law 4. But I do know I might not upload tomorrow. I got to make it up for today. So yeah, don't check out my new book too, The Blueprint to Success. Got a new one coming out, the mental side of things. I'll tell you, all you gotta do is just comment down below. Blueprint to Success. Send you in your email. Send you the free copy of the Blueprint to Success, so you can get yourself in to help achieve your goals. I'll back at your boy. And always keep fucking grinding. Shit.